a big old heavy truck, huh? Wow. Ooh, I like it. That's so pretty. Look how shiny. Wow. And you pump that up? Is that how you do it?
We'll put water in it.
And water comes out there?
And it's going to come out down the hose.
Wow.
We'll do that later, okay?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a hose, yes.
And then pump it out. It's like pumping out gas.
It's going to spray some water out? Holy smokes. Max 15 pumps max. So it must pressurize that tank is what it does.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sun's in his eyes. There you go.
That's
Wow.
a really cool truck.
I like it, Reid. I wish I had a truck like that. That's a nice truck.
He'll share with you, Grandpa.
And look, here's a ladder. You can climb up the back. Boom, 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 boom. And get up here and walk on it. See? Wow. Wow. Yes, and then walk right up there. Yep, that's where the guy walks when he gets on the top of the truck. My goodness. Wow. He's loving that thing, man. That is a cool truck, bud. Big old Mack truck. Wow. I did the ladder one time. He was all over it. What's up with that? You're just so smart, Reid. You're a smart man. I got some more coffee over here.
Goodbye. Oh my goodness, you're doing that good, Reid. Uh-oh.
Go around the wall. Over a little bit.
There you go.
Up, down, up, down. Whoa.
Hi, sweet pie. That sure is a nice truck. Wow. Yes, I see it. That's a nice ladder on that truck. Wow. Wow. He wants to turn it. Here, I'll help.